We are live now. Please start the meeting.
On behalf of Mr. Prabhat Kumar Halder, the chairman, I am starting the meeting. The time is 11 a.m. and there is a requisite quorum present participating through video conferencing. I take the pleasure in welcoming all the members to the 43rd Annual General Meeting of Halder Venture Limited. I now call the meeting to order. Now, Mr. Keshav Kumar Halder, Managing Director, will welcome all the shareholders, directors, and all the invitees.
A very good morning to all. I, Keshav Kumar Halder, the Managing Director of your company, extend a very warm welcome to the members, the directors, the key managerial personnel, the statutory auditor, the secretarial auditor, and the scrutinizer present at the 43rd Annual General Meeting of the company, which is being held through video conferencing and other audio and visual means in terms of the general circular issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and the Scrutinize and Examine Board of India. Therefore, shareholders who are attending the AGM of the company through VC, their presence through the VC facilities shall be reckoned for the purpose of quorum under Section 103 of the Companies Act 2013. I would like to start by introducing our board of directors and the key managerial personnel. The director present are Mr. Prabhat Kumar Halder, Director, Mrs. Poulami Halder, Director, Mr. Kumar Shankar Datta, Independent Director, Ms. Pitha Sinha, Independent Director. Pitha Sarkar. Miss Pritha Sarkar, Independent Director, along with all the directors, Mr. Mrinal Devnath, CFO, Mrs. Ayanti Sen, Company Secretary, and Statutory Auditor. Scrutinizer is also attending the meeting. All efforts feasible under the circumstances have been made by our company to enable members to participate through VC and vote on the item being considered at this AGM. I now request Ms. Ayanti Sen, CS, to welcome the shareholders and directors.
Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all to the 43rd Annual General Meeting of Halder Venture Limited. The members are participating through the video conferencing in this meeting. Facility for joining this meeting through video conferencing is being made available for the members on first come, first served basis. We have received requests from few members to register them as speakers at this meeting. Accordingly, the floor will open to those members to ask questions or express their views. The moderator will facilitate this session once we open the floor for discussion or clarification. The company had provided the facility to all the shareholders to cast their votes electronically on the 5 resolutions set out in the notice of the AGM. Only those shareholders who are present in the AGM through VC and OAVM facility have not casted their vote on the resolutions through remote e-voting and are otherwise not barred from doing so shall be eligible to vote through the e-voting system availed during the AGM. The company has appointed Mr. Manoj Prasad Shaw, practicing company secretary, as a scrutinizer for the purpose. I hope that you all have pursued the notice, reports of the board of directors and the auditors, and have also gone through the financial statement of the company for the financial year ended 31st March 2025. The auditors of the company are attending this meeting. I now request our managing director to address the members.
Dear fellow shareholders, I warmly welcome all of you to the 43rd Annual General Meeting of your company. I consider it a great privilege to address this gathering and share my views on the performance of the company for the financial year 2024-25. With the permission of the members, I take the notice convening this meeting as read. I have pleasure in informing you that the auditor's report contains unmodified opinion on the financial statement. With the permission of the members, I take the auditor's report as read. Members may further note that in accordance with the provisions of the Companies Act 2013 and the SEBI listing obligation and disclosure requirements regulations 2015, all the members are provided with e-voting facility for exercising their vote. Before we talk about how the company performed this year, I want to take a moment to look back at something very special. Last year, in 2024, we completed 100 years of Halder Group's journey in rice and edible oil industry. It was a proud and emotional moment for all of us. We are deeply thankful to our forefathers, especially Mr. Brindavan Chandra Halder and Mr. Madan Mohan Halder, who started this journey of rice and oil manufacturing. It is because of their hard work, vision, and dedication that we are standing strong today. As we move forward after our 100th year, we continue to follow their values and carry their legacy with pride. To celebrate this historic milestone, we released The Mill, a film nurturing our 100-year journey from manual rice milling to become a diversified agro-processing enterprise. It is a tribute to the spirit of innovation, adoption, and commitment to quality that has defined us for a century. Coming to the performance, the company in the past year, during the last financial year of the standalone turnover of the company amounted to rupees 77,208.2 lakh and consolidated turnover amounted to rupees 84,446.96 lakhs. Hence, the standalone and the consolidated turnover increased by 20% and 31% respectively. However, both standalone and consolidated profit have increased during the year 99.85% and 80.89% respectively. The management is hoping for better result in the coming years. Your company, Halder Venture Limited, hereinafter to as HVL or your company, is having a countrywide as well as global presence in the agro-based FMCG sector with particular focus on rice and edible oil. Your company is mainly engaged in the following sector: manufacturing and packaging as well as export of indigenous varieties of premium quality parboiled rice like Minikit, Baskati, 4094, Saurabh, Swarna, Sita and a few others. Import, refining and packing of soybean oil, sunflower oil, palm oil, solvent extraction, refining and packing of rice bran oil. During the year, we successfully completed the NCLT approved merger of JDM Commercial Private Limited, PK Grilling Private Limited, PK Sidils Private Limited, Reliable Advertisement Private Limited, and Sri Jotadhari Rice Mill Private Limited into Halder Venture Limited. This consolidation has streamlined our corporate structure, improved operational efficiency, increased our equity base and market capitalization, created the synergy benefits in procurement, manufacturing, distribution, and branding. The combined strength of a unified entity has already begun to reflect in better cost management, stronger bargaining power, and enhanced growth momentum. During this financial year, the company rewarded its shareholder by issuing and allotting bonus equity share in the ratio of 2:1 to all the shareholders whose name appeared in the register of members as on the record date Tuesday, 2nd September 2025. This step reflects our commitment to enhance shareholders' value and sharing the fruits of our growth with those who have placed their trust on us. Further, in financial year 2024-25, we took a decisive step to strengthen our edible oil segment by acquiring Case Oil state-of-the-art Haldia unit. This facility, with a planned capacity of 1,000 metric ton per day, is directly connected to Haldia port through a dedicated pipeline for crude, soybean, palm, and sunflower oil. This acquisition will drastically improve our refining capacity, reduce logistic costs, and allow us to serve high potential market across West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and the Northeast more effectively and efficiently. Operations will commence soon, and we expect this unit to become a key driver of growth in the branded edible oil category, especially under our Odana and Omana brand. HVL has marked its presence in India's market with our domestic rice brand Bhojmoti selling different categories of premium parboiled rice, and our edible oil brand Odana and Omana selling soybean oil, sunflower oil, mustard oil, palmolive oil, and rice bran oil in all the eastern India. We have made significant strides in our effort to increase our brand presence in the eastern India edible oil and rice market by increasing our branded sales manifold in this financial year. As our company grows significantly year on year, we are making considerable changes in the infrastructure front to be able to sustain with growth in the years to come. We are focusing heavily on developing different internal processes to streamline our operations and promote data-driven decision making, thus ensuring that different departments and manufacturing units operate at optimal capacity always. Through the implementation of a new ERP system within the whole organization, we have increased visibility into every little aspect of the business. You will see the clear effects of this in the years to come as the steps are helping us develop the platform for the next phase of growth within the company. Keeping in mind our collective purpose of nurturing humanity and possibility of human endeavor, we are marching forward with a vision of creating a healthy, well-nurtured and progressive community of the future. A part of this is to cater high quality, nutrient rich and varied portfolio of product by evaluating the changing needs and taste preference of our customers. Coming to future growth, there are quite a few different projects that we are working on that will be executed in the financial year 25-26. Commission Haldia Import Oil Refinery Unit begin full-scale operation to enhance refining capacity, optimize logistics via port pipeline, and strengthen our edible oil market presence. Grow branded edible oil, expand Odana and Omana with new pack size, fortified varieties, and targeted marketing in rural, urban, and modern trade channels. Launch premium rice varieties, introduce Tulai Panji, Katarni, and Govindabhog across domestic markets with strong retail and e-commerce tie-ups. Expand exports, deepen presence in Africa, CIS, and Middle East in market-specific SKUs and stronger distribution relationships. Upgrade manufacturing and supply chain. Invest in automation, ERP optimization, and energy-efficient processes for better productivity and cost control. advance sustainability, increase solar energy use, recycle water, reduce waste, and expand farmer training and community programs. Explore diversifications, assess opportunities in value-added food products, oleochemicals, and clean energy to build a more resilient portfolio. Deliver shareholders value, maintain strong financial discipline, improve return on equity, and sustain dividend payouts while funding strategic growth. Hence, in the coming year, we strive to grow and reinforce our positioning by building strong brands, deepening our global presence, and creating enduring value for our stakeholders. It gives us immense pleasure to inform that the company has a healthy management and workers relationship, and we pledge to strengthen the same to improve quality of work culture and productivity. The year in review shows a good performance by the company with our consolidated profit amongst doubled. The present order position is healthy, and we are expecting the market to be consistent both in terms of liquidity and also demand in the coming years. The dedication and commitment of our team plays an important role in our company's growth and success. I would like to thank the entire team for their hard work and wish them continued success and growth with the company. On this note, I would like to thank all the co-directors on the board for contributing to the continuing success. My gratitude also goes to all our shareholders for their faith and belief on us. Thank you.
The item as stated in the notice of the AGM have already been placed for remote e-voting earlier, and hence I am reading it out the items for the purpose of information only. Number 1. Adoption of the audited standalone and consolidated financial statement of the company for the financial year ended 31st March 2024, together with the report of the directors and auditors thereon, confirmation to the declaration and payment of dividend at the rate rupee 1 per equity share of rupees 10 each, reappointment of Mr. Prabhat Kumar Halder, retiring by rotation as a director of the company, ratification of remuneration of cost writers to approve appoint of Secretarial Auditor of the company. Therefore, there are total 5 items to be considered and voted by the members. Now I request the shareholders to offer their suggestions, seek clarification one by one. I humbly request all the esteemed speakers to kindly conclude their speech within 2 minutes of their allotted time. We shall answer or address their concern at the end once all share your views and seek clarification. Thank you. Moderator, please call out the names of the speaker one by one.
Miss Lily Pradhan, please unmute yourself.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good morning, all chairpersons. My one question: what are the roadmap to reach a consistent profitability in every quarter? Next, what strategies does management have to scale revenue materiality? Nothing more. Thank you.
Next speaker, please, moderator.
Speaker shareholder number 2, Deepayan Pradhan, please unmute yourself.
Hello, am I loud and clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Thank you for having me and thank you for giving this opportunity. It's very appreciated. I hope the company does continue having the meeting on an online platform. It's very helpful for investors like us joining from overseas. While I don't have any specific questions, the chairman's speech has been very comprehensive. I just wanted to ask what do we plan to do in the near future if the company has any plans of buying back shares or any other investor appreciation policy. I think that will be all from my end. Thank you.
Next speaker, please, moderator.
Manas Banerjee, please unmute yourself.
Sir, I am audible.
Yes.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Chairman, esteemed board members, and fellow shareholders. Myself, Manos Banerjee, joining from Kolkata. Sir, I would like to express my appreciation for the company's outstanding financial performance for the financial year 2024-25. Consolidated revenue surged by 34.04% and net profit rose by 80.46%. So, congratulations, sir. Our company paying consistent dividend and issued bonus in the ratio 2:1. Once again, congrats to the entire team for this performance. I strongly support all the resolutions by remote voting. Chairman sir, on this remarkable occasion of our 100th celebration, 100-year celebration, I humbly request that you consider presenting with a special memento for all shareholders. Now I have some queries, sir. Sir, could you elaborate on the reasons behind the reported consolidated net loss in the March 2025 quarter? So how you plans to address the factors continuing to this loss? My final query, sir, could you share your strategy for the edible oil segment to achieve both revenue growth and margin expansion? Before I conclude, I convey my gratitude to our Secretarial Department for doing an excellent investor services. Thank you and wish you all the best, sir.
Speaker
Next
shareholder
speaker.
number 4, Dipanvita Chakrabarti, is not available in the meeting. Shareholder number 5, Indravani Chakrabarti, please unmute yourself.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Very good morning, sir. I am Indrani Chakraborty, attending VC from Kolkata, a small shareholder of your company. At first, I congratulate my company secretary, board of director, and my fellow shareholder to give me a chance in this platform. I casted vote along with my family member in favor of you in this AGA. I believe my company will perform better to better in coming future. Best of luck to my board of director. Sir, my question is, what is your roadmap next 12 years? And second question is, how many female staff in your company? Nothing more to say. Thank you, everybody. Have a nice day, sir.
Speaker shareholder
Thank you.
number 6, Sudipta Chakrabarti, please unmute yourself.
Very good morning, sir. I am Sudipto Chakraborty, a shareholder of Halder Ventures Limited. At first, I congratulate my company secretary, my board of directors, and my fellow shareholder to give me a chance to speak something in this platform. Sir, I believe my company is in strong hand and it will perform better to better in coming future. For our directors' honesty, dedication, devotion, and determination. Our company always very investor-friendly company. Always try to do something for minority shareholder. Sometimes it may be bonus, sometimes it may be some dividend, etc. I believe performance will grow day by day. Sir, my first question is, how can you control your liabilities and interest cost? And my second question is, how do you implement green energy in your business? Thank you, sir. Whenever we go your office, we always get warm welcome. It's very pleasure for us. Thank you, everybody.
Mr. Subhaskar, please unmute yourself.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Chairman, sir, esteemed members of the board, and fellow shareholders. Chairman, sir, your speech was outstanding and provided valuable insight about our company. Sir, congratulations to the management on completing 100 years, along with strong financial result, steady dividend, and impactful CSR. Will the company consider giving shareholder a special memento to mark this milestone? Sir, I have two questions, sir, with both turnover. First question, with both turnover to profit showing strong growth is this year. What new step will the company take to sustain this momentum in the coming year? And my second and final query is, sir, with export already reaching 10 plus countries, what is the company roadmap to expand its global footprint and strengthen brand positioning in international market? Nothing to, sir, wishing you and your entire team continue success, good health, and prosperities in the year to come. Nothing to add more. Thank you, sir, for providing me with this opportunity to express my view. Namaskar.
Mr. Ratanu, please unmute yourself.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Really, it's really good morning, sir. I, Atanu Shah, a shareholder of Halder Ventures Limited. My respective chairman, sir, our Keshav Kumar Halderji, and our Prabhat Kumar Halderji, our Pritha Sharkar, madam, Kumar Shankar Datta, our CFO Mrinal Devnath, our company secretary Ayanti Shen. And our company secretary is our total team, though they sent me the 249 pages of annual report of 24-25. So on pages that 48 and 49, it is shaping the future. It's really very good. And also the page number 18, our PB Haldarjis, who as a agri-based area, FMCG, he is going to another year. I wish his good health. Sir, the matter of agendas concerned, it's ordinary, whereas 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, sir. Sir, the matter of also the 2 is the matter of dividend, and 3 already I spoke, and 4 and 5, it is remuneration of cost auditor, and also our secretarial order, the last one, sir. Sir, my question in the sense, my previous shareholder already raised number of queries and their requests, sir, that our ESG rating, sir. ESG rating is really not mandatory for, but do we think about, and I do observe our company is also informed, they are giving our importance on ESG area. Whereas is social and sports and education do something, sir, and who are the best ranking in these sports, thinking about them, and also those who are in education. The matter of any for them, sir, those who are in good result in this sense, sir. Sir, this is I, Atanu Shah. I wish a good year ahead and good result and good dividend and also good health to every employee. And also we are requesting, sir, to our to meet with our Prabhat Kumar Halderji, also Keshav Kumar Halderji, and wish to visit, sir, our manufacturing division area, sir. It's a really beautiful picture. It's a really beautiful picture. Sir, these the new Halder Venture Limited is not a reinvention. It is a reaffirmation from values, vision, and also our willing to lead. Sir, before leave, I wish to read our 5,000-year sloka. Sahana vavatu sahano bhunaktu sahaviryam karavavahai tejashvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Sir, keep safe our chairman, our master, our shareholders, and keep our resources. It's great for us, sir. And next year, do we meet again, sir? If get chance, then we meet physically for the matter of our factory visit, sir. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you very. I already casted my vote. Thank you.
Mr. Jaideep Bakshi, please unmute yourself.
Very good afternoon, morning, Chairman and Board of Directors. Myself, Jaideep Bakshi, connecting from the city of Kolkata. Sir, your initial speech was very much informative about our company affairs and many questions have been asked. As we have full faith in our company and our management, so I don't want to repeat or ask any questions. Just want to know what is our future roadmap, how do we plan to move forward in the coming days, and any new area of venture are we planning? That's all from my side. I support all the resolutions and wish the company all the best in the coming years. And do, sir, arrange for the factory visits for the all attending members. Thank you, sir.
After video, and you may ask a question.
Next speaker, please.
Hello. 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 Sir, শুনতে পাচ্ছেন? Hello.
Yes, sir, you're audible. Please continue.
হ্যাঁ ভেরি গুড মর্নিং স্যার, আমি বিমল সরকার। এটা আমার একটা বাঙালি সংস্থা, আমি বাংলায় বলবো। স্যার, আপনাদের কোনো অসুবিধা নেই তো?
বলুন।
মাননীয় অধ্যক্ষ আর অন্যান্য উপস্থিত কেএমপিস, ডাইরেক্টরস এন্ড কোম্পানি সেক্রেটারি। স্যার, এবার আমি কোম্পানি সিএফও মৃণাল দেবনাথ এবং কোম্পানি সেক্রেটারি অয়ন্তী সেন, আমি ওনাদেরকে বহুত বহুত ধন্যবাদ। ওনারা এক্সেলেন্ট ইনভেস্টর সার্ভিস দেয় এবং আমাদের অ্যানুয়াল রিপোর্ট এবং লিঙ্ক অনেক আগেই ওনারা পাঠিয়ে দিয়েছেন। এবং স্যার, অফিসে যদি যাই, সত্যি কথা বলতে স্যার, এরা এত সুন্দর আমাদের সঙ্গে এন্টারটেইন করেন, তা আমি যদি অ্যাপ্রিসিয়েট না করি সেটা আমার বোধহয় ঠিক হবে না। আমি ওনাদেরকে খুব ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি। স্যার, এবার যে রেজাল্ট এসছে কি বলবো বলুন, সিগনিফিক্যান্ট ইনক্রিজ হয়েছে 34.03%। স্যার, প্রফিট আফটার ট্যাক্স সিগনিফিক্যান্ট ইনক্রিজ হয়েছে 80.90%। স্যার, এত সুন্দর রেজাল্ট আপনি আমাদের এবছর এনেছেন, তাহলে আপনি আর আপনার পুরো টিম কে আমি অ্যাপ্রিসিয়েট করছি, প্রশংসা করছি এবং ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি এত সুন্দর রেজাল্ট নিয়ে আসার জন্য। স্যার, মিসলেনিয়াস এক্সপেন্সেস আপনি 90 লাস্ট ইয়ারে ছিল 222.44 লাখ। স্যার, এবার এই বছরে মাত্র 95.98 লাখ। স্যার, এতটা মিসলেনিয়াস এক্সপেন্স কি করে কমালেন? সত্যিই আমি ভাবছি এটা খুব ভালো, আপনারা মিসলেনিয়াস এক্সপেন্সটাকে অনেকাংশে কমাতে পেরেছেন। স্যার, ইম্পোর্ট ডিউটি স্বচ্ছ ভারত শেষ ইনক্রিজ হয়েছে স্যার। এটা লাস্ট ইয়ারে ছিল 624.90 লাখ, এই বছরে এটা 6788.46 লাখ। স্যার, এই ব্যাপারে একটু যদি আমাদেরকে জানান, স্যার এতটা বেশি কেন হলো, তাহলে ভালো হয়। স্যার, নাম্বার 3, ক্যাপিটাল এক্সপেন্ডিচার ফর নেক্সট 2 ইয়ার্স কে লিয়ে কি আছে, এটা আমাদের একটু যদি জানান তাহলে খুব ভালো হবে। হ্যাঁ, আর স্যার, এই বছরে যে ক্যাপেক্স যেটা আপনার ক্যাপিটাল এক্সপেন্ডিচার যেটা হয়েছে, সেটা গত বছরের থেকে অনেক বেশি করা হয়েছে, খুব ভালো হয়েছে 6771 লাখ। এটা খুব দরকার ছিল, খরচা তো করতেই হবে, তবে আমার কোম্পানি আগে বাড়বে। স্যার, আমি একটা জিনিস আমি বলছি স্যার, লাস্ট মিটিং এ আপনি বলেছিলেন যে স্যার ওই চালের বার করার সময় যে তুষ্ট হয়, তুষ্ট থেকে যে অয়েলটা পাওয়া যায়, সেই অয়েলটা আমাদেরকে শেয়ার হোল্ডারদের স্যাম্পল হিসাবে গিফট করার কথা আপনারা রিকোয়েস্ট করেছিলাম, আপনিও বলেছিলেন মোটামুটি ওটা দেখা যাবে। ঠিক আছে স্যার, দেখবেন ওটা পেলে আমরা একটু বাড়িতে ইউজ করে দেখবো ওই তেলটা কিরকম। হ্যাঁ, আর কি বলবো, আমি হালদার সাহেব আর আপনার পুরো টিম, আমি ঈশ্বরের কাছে এই প্রার্থনা করব যে আপনারা সুস্থ থাকবেন আর ঠিক এইভাবে আমাদের কোম্পানিকে আগে নিয়ে এগোবেন। আর আমি টোটাল এমপ্লয়ি সুস্থ থাকুক, এটাও আমি চাই। আর আমাকে যে বলতে দিয়েছেন এজন্য অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। নমস্কার স্যার, আপনাদের সকলকে নমস্কার।
Next speaker, please.
Mr. Sujan Modak, please unmute yourself.
Yeah, you can hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Namaskar. Good morning. Namaskar. Respected Chairman, other Board of Directors, I am Sujan Modok. I am attending this meeting from my residence in Kolkata, sir. Sir, if we see the performance of our company, result is very good, sir. And more than the numbers in the balance sheet, what I feel that I've gone through that is our company's financial strength is very good, sir. It's very strong financial strength. Definitely for that, I really thank our CFO, Mr. Mrinal Devnath. Mrinal ji, आपका काम भी बहुत अच्छा है, इसमें कोई doubt नहीं है. Next, sir, I would like to invite our company secretary, Ayanti Sen, ma'am, is a new joinee in our company. Ma'am, welcome, a red carpet welcome to our family. I think that you definitely will find our company very good. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Sir, if we see the performance is very good, sir. I have got a few questions, sir, to ask you, sir. Sir, in the rice and edible oil, there's a huge competition from MNCs. So how we are planning to cope it up? The competition is there and big companies are there. So if you can please give us a brief on that, sir. 22nd September, GST is dropping. Company government ने already declare किया है. तो उसका collateral effect और direct effect कितना हमारा company का ऊपर आएगा? If you can please tell us, sir. Sir, हमारा जो manufacturing units है, what is the capacity utilization? Whether we are running in 100% capacity or in a reduced one, if you can give us. And on the renewable energy front, what is the thought process? Please give us, sir. And sir, हमारा company का जो product है, what I have gone through the print media, it's a very well accepted in the market. तो सर इसका कुछ duplication होता है कि नहीं है? कोई scrupulous ये कोई अगर duplicate हमारा नाम पे बेचता है कि नहीं? उसको संभालने के लिए क्या आप कदम उठा रहा है? थोड़ा वो बताइए. Duplicate material in our companies. And sir, I think people they have already raised that एक बार factory visit होना जरूरी है, sir. If you can please arrange it, it will be nice. Thank you very much, sir. Over to you for further proceedings. Thank you.
Ma'am, Mr. Last speaker shareholder Manas Kumar are not present in the meeting. So here we end the all speaker shareholder.
Good morning, everybody. We have received some questions from our beloved shareholders. Some of them were, one of our shareholder question was whether the company are going to buy back the shares or not. Already, we have done a buyback shares in past. So right now, we don't have any planning to buy back shares. In future, if this happen, we'll definitely let you know. In regards of net loss, Q4 net loss 31st March 2025, already we have reported that there is some changes in government policies. There are huge changes in government duty policies also. So that's why this effect can see in the March quarter. And we have already adjusted the same. We have cope up with the changes scenario, and going forward, we have done very well. Next question was roadmap for coming 2 to 3 years. Already our MD sir had in his speech mentioning that the roadmap for coming years, we have all take over asset of KS oil unit in Haldia. We have planned to operate at a capacity of 1,000 metric ton per day. We are expecting it will start production by 2026-27. As well as we are planning to set up a new rice mill unit at Shuri plant. So there are few more things to come. If it is materialized, we'll definitely let you know. We are investing some websites and different kind of business also. In the coming quarter or coming half year, we will definitely let you know the changes. In regards of liability on interest, yes, as the business grow, there must be the increase in interest liability, and just to see whether this interest will benefit our company or not. Is it beneficial? Then it's there is no concern to think about it. In regards of general green energy and ESG and other sustainability, we are also planning to do a business or do a tie-up with the various companies who will deal with this green energy and footprint of carbon also. So in the coming years or in the coming quarter, we'll definitely let you know in about the tie-up of this for this ESG and carbon credit. In regards of global and domestic brand, yes, in this year financial year 2025 to 26, we are planning to introduce our brand in the domestic market. As you know, that all our brand already established in the foreign market. Now we are planning to establish in the domestic market, and we are trying to tie up with the e-commerce channels also. And we are also expanding our brand in global various countries as well. Yes, and another question was our capital expenditure is yes, it is very. This year we have made huge capital expenditure plans. We have one plant in PK Cereals Private Limited. We had renovated them. We had expand its capacity from 4 ton to 6 ton TPD or 6 ton per hour, as well as we have taken a unit at Haldia, which is near about cost to 64 crores near about. So this year we had tremendously made huge expenses in capital expenses, and the benefit of this will definitely show in our future results also. In regards of women staff, we had right now 46 women staff in our companies, and we are always try to keep the balances in regards of female and male staff. So, in regards of 22nd GST review, government has announced to reduce its GST structure in which is coming effect from 22nd September onwards. Definitely, it will be benefited to the company, but directly there is no benefit for our product, as rice is an exempted product, and government had doesn't reduce the GST on rice, and not reduce the GST on oil also. So indirectly it will benefit us, but directly we don't take any benefit from it. That's it.
Now, may I request the members who have not earlier exercised their votes to remote e-voting and other desire to exercising it now to do the same. Now, the results declared along with the scrutinizer's report shall be placed on the company's website www.haldarventure.com, and on the it will be www.haldarventure.in, and on the website of NSDL www.nsdl.com within 2 working days of the passing of the resolutions at the 43rd annual general meeting of the company on September 19, 2025, and the same would be communicated to the BSE Limited, where the shares of the company are listed. Thank you all, the shareholders, for making 43rd annual general meeting successful. Thank you all. Thank you again.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
We are closing the meeting here.
We are now end the meeting. Thank you, everyone.